Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Egypt. First of all, we need to try to find out whether PayPal is accessible from Egypt or not. And in order to do that, you will have to come on this page. Now you can access this page by simply typing PayPal countries in the search bar and click on the first link in the list. Once you are on this page, you need to simply press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, and here you need to simply type Egypt in the search bar. As you can see that Egypt is available in the list, meaning that you can create your account on PayPal from Egypt. So you need to simply click on this link and it will redirect you on this page. Now click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner. Select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account and press continue in the bottom. Now provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your password. Basically you need to create a strong password for your account and then agree to the terms and conditions and click on create account. On the next page, you will have to follow further instructions in order to successfully set up your PayPal account from Egypt. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.